Welcome to Chess Table, the ultimate destination for learning chess in an easy and fun way. Are you someone who has always been fascinated by the game of chess but felt intimidated to start playing? Or maybe you're a beginner who wants to learn the basics and improve your skills? Well, look no further. Chess Table is here to make chess accessible to everyone, regardless of your age or experience level. Our goal is simple: to help you learn chess in a way that is both entertaining and engaging. We believe that chess is not just a game, but a powerful tool that can enhance your critical thinking, problem-solving, and decision-making skills. Our easy-to-follow video tutorials, practice exercises, and quizzes will challenge and motivate you. So what are you waiting for? Join the Chess Table community today and unlock the endless possibilities that this incredible game has to offer. Chess Table, where learning chess is easy and fun.